Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will show how to make chocolate chip cookies in pan-only way. Heat a 10-inch skillet over medium-low and grease lightly. Mix wet and dry ingredients until just combined, fold in 1:1. 5 cups chocolate chips, then scoop dough into 6 even mounds. Flatten each mound slightly and cover with a lid. Bake on the stovetop for 8 to 12 minutes until edges brown and centers set, then cool briefly before serving. For reliable results, maintain medium-low heat so cookies cook through without burning edges. Use a lid to replicate oven conditions and trap steam for tender centers. Rotate the pan halfway to ensure all cookies brown evenly, and check after 8 minutes to avoid overcooking. If bottoms brown too fast, lower the heat and lift the lid briefly to release steam. Let cookies rest in the pan off heat for a minute before transferring. Try mix-ins like chopped nuts, oats, or white chocolate to change texture and flavor. Sprinkle a little sea salt on top right after cooking to enhance sweetness without overpowering. For gooey cookies, serve warm straight from the pan, or cool on a rack if you prefer firmer cookies that hold shape. These simple adjustments make the pan method versatile and crowd-pleasing whether you want soft centers or crisp edges.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.